Have you ever went to buy something online, but before you did it, you wanted to check if the product reviews were good? Well, you probably have, and you might have heard of Trustpilot before. Trustpilot is a website that lets businesses get real, verified reviews from their customers. But did you know that these websites can actually make you lots and lots of money? I want to show you an opportunity today that's making my clients thousands of dollars online with copywriting. I've never seen anybody talk about this, and it's such a huge opportunity. So today, I'm going to show you, number one, what this hidden gold mine is. Number two, how to use my Trump system to make a lot of money with copywriting. And number three, I'll give you a live breakdown of me using Trustpilot to find hidden gold mines. So to explain all of this, I want to show you something called the Trump method. And by the way, I'm not political. I just thought this was a funny name for what I've come up with. So very quickly, before I teach you this method, I want to explain what copywriting is in case you've never heard of it before. Copywriting is just sales in the written word. The same way a business would use a salesman to sell their products over the phone, they'll also hire a copywriter to write their marketing emails, their ad campaigns, and their website. You can learn how to make money with copywriting fairly easily because it doesn't require a college degree, and you just need to learn how to be persuasive with words. I made 6 figures from it while I was still in university, and I ended up dropping out because I knew there was so much money in this. If you want more breakdowns of how to make money with copywriting, make sure to subscribe because I make these videos all the time. Okay, so now you understand what copywriting is, I want to explain the Trump method to you. So the first letter of our Trump method is T, which stands for Trustpilot. If you don't know what Trustpilot is, it's basically a website where businesses can set up a review page and get verified reviews from their real customers. So when someone goes to buy something, they know for a fact that there are actual reviews on there. And to most people, this is just a boring product review website. But to me, an ambitious young businessman, I see this as an opportunity. I figured out a way to use Trustpilot to find paid copywriting clients that can pay you thousands of dollars per month just to write emails and ads and stuff like that for them. So instead of just telling you that this works, let me show you a real live example of me going on and finding people I could work with who will pay thousands of dollars for copywriters. Right, so let's say you want to write emails for people who are very popular at the minute, people who sell courses online. You could find someone like Charlie Morgan, who's a well-known YouTuber in this space, and he basically helps other business owners get leads and make more money. Then you want to look at people who leave reviews on his Trustpilot page. And once you do that, you can start to understand what kind of businesses use Charlie's services by just doing a quick Google search of their real name. Once you've found some people like this, you can position yourself as someone who helps this exact type of person with their business. So let me show you an example. Okay, so I've gone and done a bit of digging, and I found this guy called Alan Kenna, and he left a review 5 stars. Like, he talked about this stuff, best investment decision I've ever made. So this guy, I know for a fact that this guy Charlie Morgan's program is like $10,000. So this guy clearly has $10,000 to invest in growing his business. So that tells me that he's someone who's willing to invest in getting more money in the door. And he's also Irish, so this is why I've picked this guy specifically. I don't know anything about him, but I'm just having a look at this and I'm thinking, okay, this guy could be a potential business owner I could work with. So I've searched him online and I found that he has an Instagram page, and this is an Instagram page. He talks about elevation, he has some mentorship. I think it's related to like sort of mindset stuff or whatever. I'm not quite sure, but what I would do is I would reach out to this guy with a really good offer of what I want to sell him. So I could check, is this guy sending emails to his email list? Does he have a good website? Does he have a good sales funnel? And then what I would do is I'd reach out and be like, hey, I want to help you with this or this or this. I can do a free trial for you, whatever you might want to send them. Now, what's really important is that you don't send a bad cold outreach method, because this is what most beginners do and they never make money because they're sending messages to people and the people don't care what they're saying. So this is where the next step in our Trump method comes in. R, which stands for research. Okay, so this tool is called Anvaka, and it allows you to put in the name of a market, aka a group of people that you want to learn more about. And using AI, it starts to find all of these different communities of people online who are interested in stuff related to their keyword. So let's do a live demo of how you can use Trustpilot to find these hidden gold mines. So obviously we went in Trustpilot, we found this guy Alan Kenna, then we found his Instagram, we found that he talks about NLP mindset. So what we could do is type in NLP. Then we'll search this. It'll start to do its work. It uses AI to find all these. Honestly, it's insane. It's quite cool to look at. Okay, so now we have all of these groups of people related to the same thing. Like, they're all somewhat related to this NLP thing, and we can get a good understanding of Alan's market, and we can position ourselves as a copywriter who works with these type of people. So what you would do is you'd go in, you'd find out like, okay, this is typical of like life coaches will be interested in this stuff. We can find people who are interested in hypnotherapy. I don't know what all this stuff is, if I'm being honest, but But what you can do is you can basically read through this stuff and figure out, like, get to understand like who this person is that you're reaching out to, because once you understand them, once you can think like the business owner, you can target them in so much better ways. Okay, so in this section, we need to research the people that we're reaching out to figure out what they like, what they don't like, what they might be interested in. And this is the thing that trips up 99% of beginners, because they don't do their research. They don't do the little bit of work preparing before they actually reach out to the person. And it means they don't know what that person wants to hear. And because there's so much competition nowadays from complete beginners who want to make money, because so many online influencers teach them how to do that, you need to understand how to stand out among everybody else. And this is where research comes in. Now, research sounds like this really boring thing, and honestly it used to be where you used to spend like 3 days trawling through Google to learn everything you wanted to know about a person. But lucky for you, I've just went and found some tools for you that'll just do the work for you, so you don't need to spend days on it. So let me quickly break down how to research the people that you find on Trustpilot so you can work with them. Alright, so now that we know more about this NLP stuff, we can position ourselves as a copywriter who sells for these types of people, because we know so much more about them. But how do we position ourselves in a way that's quick and easy? Well, this takes us to the next part of the Trump method, which is U, and U stands for unique. We now need to create a unique offer that's going to stand out from everybody else. And a unique offer is basically a service that's packaged in a way that feels tailored to the person that you're selling it to. You don't just approach people and say, I'm a copywriter, I write copy. You would do something way more specific, like, I help NLP coaches turn leads into clients using a 5-part email sequence that's already proven to convert. Do you see the difference? It's so much more specific and so much more tailored to this type of person. So how do you actually build a unique offer? Well, here is the quick formula that I use. I use niche plus specific result plus method, and that is your unique offer. So let's break that down a little bit further. The niche is who you help. So that might be NLP coaches, course creators, life coaches, etc. The specific result is what they get out of it. So they might get more calls booked, more sales, more course signups. Then we have the method. So this is how you do it. So that might be a 5-part email sequence, a website rewrite, or a lead magnet funnel. So instead of just messaging this person, hey, I write copy, let me know if you need anything, you say, hey, I help mindset coaches book more sales calls using a proven 5-part welcome sequence that runs on autopilot. One of those offers is really bad. One of them is really specific and really good. But there's one massive mistake that most people make when they try and get clients that costs them so much time and money. They try to sell everything to everyone. They say stuff like, oh, I can help you with websites, ads, or emails, or whatever you need. And that just screams beginner, desperate, and unclear, because you don't have a specific thing that you do. Instead, the best way to go with this is pick one result for one type of client and just sell that. You can always offer more different services later, but you have to get your foot in the door with a specific solution to their problems. So when your offer is sharp and unique, you immediately stand out, and you don't need a big portfolio, or you don't have to prove yourself with 5 pages of testimonials. You just need to solve a real problem for a real group of people. Okay, so you have your offer. Now what do you do? Well, now you need to actually get in front of someone, and that means writing a message that actually gets noticed. Because if your message is boring or kind of shitty, it doesn't matter how good your offer is, because people won't see it. So that's where the next part of the Trump method comes in. M is for message. It's really crucial now that we don't mess this up. If your message is really bad, like, none of the other work matters. Most people get the message part of this system wrong, like totally wrong. They either sound like a robot or they sound like they're begging for work, which is not what you want to sound like. But we aren't going to do that. So here is the goal of your message. The goal of your message is not to make a sale, it's to start a conversation. We're not pitching them a full-on proposal of what we're gonna do, blah, blah, blah. We just wanna get a reply. We wanna pique their interest. And this makes it way easier for you because you have way less work to do in the first message. All you need to do is pique their interest. But what does a good message actually look like? It has to be short, it has to be high effort, and it has to be specific to them. This is literally why most people never make money online. They're so lazy. They get this wrong because they just copy paste the same DM to 100 people and think they're gonna make money. It just makes you look like spam, and you'll never ever get work from someone if you do that, because it really ruins your reputation with someone. The people that you're reaching out to are business owners who are actively making money. They are not stupid. They can tell when you've sent a message to 100 people. So if your message looks like everybody else's, they're not gonna reply. why would they? But when you put in effort, I mean real noticeable effort, it instantly sets you apart. So here's the difference. You could write them a short DM that's kind of personalized, or you could take 2 minutes and record a Loom video that breaks down exactly how you can help them. You show them that you're looking at their website, you're looking at what they're doing, you reference something specific that they're doing that they can maybe do better, and you explain how your offer could actually make them more money. But nobody's doing this because it takes a little bit more effort than just sending a message. And that's exactly why it works. People respect effort, especially business owners. They are used to being sold to, but they're not used to someone taking time out of their day to genuinely help them. So instead of sending them a stupid message like, hey, I'm a copywriter and I want to make money, I want to work with you, I think I could help you. You send them a message on Instagram or LinkedIn or email and you say, hey, first name, I made this for you. It's a quick link to the video. And then on the Loom, you add actual value by offering something completely free up front. Make this really easy for them to say yes, so there should be no additional effort on your part. Then on the video, you actually offer something valuable. You give them something completely free up front, make it really easy for them to say yes, and there should be no additional effort on their part to make this happen. If you make it so easy for them to just send you back the word yes, then boom, you've got your foot in the door. So now we move on to the final step in the Trump method. P is for profit. Right, let's be real. You're not doing all this research and outreach and content creation just for fun. You're doing it to make money. Once someone replies to your message, this is the part where you turn that interest into a retainer. So now you want to take your unique offer, let's say you write emails for someone, and you turn it into a paid project or a monthly retainer that you can get paid every month for. Once somebody replies to your first message, you just come back with, cool, would you be open to a quick call? I can walk you through how this works and see if it's a good fit. Then on that call, you just keep it really simple. You re-explain the outcome that you help with. You break down the process in 2 to 3 steps. You show them how it's done for you and low effort on their part. And finally, you confidently name your price. So let's say you're offering email copy for coaches. You might say, yeah, so it's $1,200 to build the 5 email sequence. That includes writing, editing, loading it into your platform. It's designed to book more calls without needing more traffic from you. Don't over-explain it. Don't discount it. Just a clean offer that's tied to a result. And look, if you've done everything right up to this point, the research, the targeting, the Loom video, they will see the value. So that is how you profit. That's how you get paid. If you're interested in my one-to-one help, you can check out a link in the description. But if you don't want to make the other mistakes that 99% of copywriters make when they try to get their first client, you absolutely need to watch the video on screen next. So make sure to click it here before it goes, and I'll see you in there.